Welcome. This video I'll show you how to search Brave History. Alright, so first up, to open up a Brave History, you can go ahead and go to the top right, click on 3 horizontal lines. Now we have history right here, hover over it. Now go ahead and click on history. Okay, another option is by pressing Ctrl plus H on your keyboard as a shortcut. There you go. Here we have the history section as well. So if you want to, you could go ahead and manually, okay, scroll through the history right here. And if you want to delete one, you can go ahead and click on the 3 dots, head on delete from history. Okay. Now you have here at the top right, as you can see, we have the magnifying icon or the magnifying glass icon that says search history. You can just click on it and look for the search history tab right here and just start typing URLs or even dates. Okay. So let's say we're going to find YouTube. There you go. All YouTube URLs right here will pop up. Okay. If you want to delete them, well, you can just go ahead and tick on this check boxes. Just click on delete. Delete, and you're good to go. And that is it. That's how simple it is to search Brave History. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.